let's get some. Come on, you can honk. Honk, come on, honk. Give me a honk. Come on. What we're trying to do here is make people aware that the theater is going to be demolished. And by having this street theater, people who would normally drive by not pay any attention to it because it's closed up will begin to find out what the heck's going on and hopefully talk to their council person or their neighborhood council representative or somebody like that and sign the petition and turn this thing around because there's no reason to lose this theater. Oh, my name's Jim Childs, and I drove up here from West Adams. That's how much I believe in this theater, because it's a very important local theater as well as a beautiful example of Art Deco design. And I can't imagine why somebody couldn't make a living running a theater as opposed to tearing it down and putting up something else. Come on, let me go honk here. Give me some honking.
Now, there was this wonderful movie called Cool Hand Luke in which Strother Martin expressed something to Paul Newman. What we have here is failure to communicate.